Your Excellency, President Lee Jae-myung, Excellencies, leaders of APEC economies, once again I would like to commend President Lee Jae-myung and his government for organizing this summit in such an efficient and great way. As we know, we're entering a new era defined by the rise of technology, high-tech, and especially artificial intelligence. We also understand shifting demographics. In the case of Indonesia, we must admit that Indonesia is behind many of the other economies of the APEC. We have still massive poverty. A lot of our people also experience hunger. And that is why the urgency of Indonesia, this we are telling our partners of the APEC economies, the urgency of us is to overcome the problems of poverty and hunger immediately and as soon as possible. We are concentrating all our efforts, and that's why we are feeling that we can benefit from AI. We are using AI in agriculture to have a precise and modern agriculture techniques, and this has made us self-sufficient in rice and corn production in 1 year. Our target was 4 years self-sufficiency, but the use of high-tech, precision farming, and AI has enabled us to increase our production to the highest level in the history of independent Indonesia. So we see the great benefits of AI and high technology, especially smart technology. However, we also see that we need cooperation on transnational crime, because we are suffering a lot from illegal smuggling, from corruption, from narcotics smuggling. This is endangering our youth, and also online gambling is very, very serious. We are losing, it's calculated that we're losing about $8 billion a year just by the outflow from online gambling. So we support APEC cooperation to enhance digital skills. Also in the field of education, we feel Indonesia is behind the rest of the APEC economies in the field of education. This is very objective, and I believe that Indonesia must face up to our shortcomings, and that's why my government feels the urgency to catch up with the other economies in the field of education. And that's why we would like to take part in all the APEC enhancement of capacity in the field of technology. And also, we would like to empower our small businesses and also to improve our health system in the anticipation of the shift in demography. I think this is the way to go. We must secure our control of technology, and I think with cooperation within APEC, we can get this control. Thank you very much.